Hello all, in this session I will be showing you how to generate this sketch which is displayed on the screen by using AutoCAD 2024 version. Okay, for that what I will do is I will draw one horizontal axis line, one vertical axis line, and I will start drawing this array. Okay, stepwise I will try to go. Now for that let me draw one axis line. Let me see the overall height. Overall height is 85, 100, 150. If I will take a line of 150, that would be enough. That is enough. Now a straight line of 150. Now let me take this line here, this point. Okay, I can increase the sketch size also. This I can delete. I just can do that later. Okay, this is how the sketch look like. So the line I'll take a bit away from it. This line I'll convert to an axis line. Style, properties, center, color to 2H. Okay, now on the line there is a circle of 26 diameter and 60 diameter, 26 and 60 diameters. Circle of one is of 26 and one more is of 60. Okay, there are two circles, 26 and 60. Upon this 60 diameter there is an array of 8 circles, 8 holes of 10 diameter, 8 holes of 10 diameter. Let me draw that first. 8 holes of 10 diameter. So I'll take, now let me convert this 60 circle to a 2H type by, I keep it in hidden format, then 2H color. Circle of, what is the hole diameter? 8 holes of 10 diameter. Diameter of, done. So now I need to use an option called array of this object, polar, with respect to this center. To see that center I need to go to the circumference, but here the number required is 8. Close. Okay, till now it is okay. Then the outer periphery, there is one more. From the center 42 radius is given. 42 radius is given. I'll again take a radius option. From this center, radius of 42, that is also created. Okay, now I'll just try to move the complete sketches M, enter, to some new location, because it is going on to this particular picture. So I moved it. Now again from this horizontal there is an offset of 40 mm offset is there, that I just draw 40 offset. So let me draw, there is no horizontal drawn, let me draw the horizontal first. This is a horizontal line, keeping F8 on. Convert this horizontal, go to properties, center, change the bilayer color. Okay, now there is an offset, that offset will check it out. Here there is an offset of 80, vertical is offsetted to 80 mm. Offset, enter, through enter, this one to 80, that is okay. Then again horizontal is offsetted to 40, horizontal is offsetted to 40, this is offsetted to 40 mm. Intersection of those two, you have two more circles to be drawn, 36 diameter and 16 diameter, 36 and 16 diameter. Two circles need to be created, 36 and 16. both are diameters only. 36, one more is 60. Two are created. Rest. Okay. So from this horizontal there is one more offset of 85. One more offset of 85 that I'll draw now. Offset this one is at a distance of 85. There we need to draw two more circles of 26 dia and 52 dia. 26 and 52. Both are diameters only. 26 and 52. Two circles are created. Okay. Now we need to use, to draw these two curves we need to use tan radius. For that the radius given is 96. I'll go with an option called tan radius from here to this point 96. Okay. Similarly 42 is one more radius. 42 is one more radius. Tan radius from here to this point. TR double enter. So here done. We are done with most of the part completed. Okay. Only thing is we need to join both those features here with a straight line tangentially and remove unwanted. So I'll take a line from here, but I'll take shift right click tangent from this point to shift right click tangent. I'll click somewhere here. Same thing you apply to the other side. Shift right click tangent from here to shift right click tangent to the other side. Okay, or else you can mirror the other one which you have drawn now. Now unwanted things are what? TR double enter. This is not required. This is also not required. Few things you are supposed to zoom out and see, is there any feature left? Yes, this is one. This is how the complete sketch look like. Alright, circles are there, everything is given. Now you can remove unwanted things, then the sketch look better. Select the complete sketch, change the color. That you can do. So but the axis line is supposed to be in the same color, then only it look good. So we should have a proper idea about the colors and how it look like, thick line, thin lines. Accordingly you can easily construct. This line is also of 2H type. Okay, whatever question given, which we have fulfilled it. This is how the task has to be done. Don't waste much time upon thinking about the dimensions. You have to start somewhere. Whether I have started here, you can start at this point. Accordingly you can do the follow-up. Okay, anything is fine. Each and every individual person's perception will be different. Accordingly you have to draw. Okay, any questions you can comment in the box given. Thank you.